Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Now don't kill me because I know it's been very long since I even filmed a video, so yeah, but I am back. I am posting more, I promise. I'm getting back into YouTube, but not only on this channel, on my other channel too with Josh. So if you guys want to look at my couple channel that I have with Josh, go ahead. It's called KJTV. We will be posting more on that channel too, and also this channel, so yeah. But other than that, make sure you guys stay tuned if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful Thanksgiving look. Look my lid. Look at that. Yes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Also, my social media will be in the description box below. So yeah, I love you guys. Enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I lost my eyebrow pencil, so I had to use this bootleg little angle brush, and this is what I did with it. So yeah, so usually after I do my eyebrows, I go straight into my eyeshadow. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. And y'all already know, if you've seen any of my videos, exactly what palette I'm going in. My Model Renaissance palette. So I'm going into this burnt orange shade in the Model Renaissance palette, and we are really just blending that everywhere like this. And then we're just gonna do that same thing on the other eye, like so. Europe, just like so. Just making sure a little bit more, just like right here. I'm not gonna perp to you guys. This low-key needs to be right here. There. This has been my go-to hair. This is a wig I made with bundles that I got from the hair store, and these bundles were like $30 because it's like mixed. It's not fully like human hair. Is kind of synthetic too, but I feel like you really can't tell in person. I mean, you might be able to tell on camera, but in person you can't for real tell. I mean, unless you can, then if you can, then good job. Like, you can tell my hair's, you know, like, I don't care. Like, why would I care? Anyway, we're gonna be going in with a orange shade because, you know, that's the kind of vibes you get. Anyway, we're going into this orange palette. Look, this right here broke. So now my palette looks trifling, but it's still a good palette. Anyway, and we're just going to be putting that right there and blending that also into our crease, like so, and onto our lid. And just make sure you guys blend out the edges too. Ooh, that looks good. Love the oranginess of it. I love orange for my eyes. Like, orange is honestly my go-to. Orange has always been my go-to color when I do my eyeshadow. Orange and yellow, because I just love those colors. Those colors look good, especially if you have brown eyes or brown eyes like me, like really dark brown eyes. It makes your eyes pop. Yes. Okay. So this also has a pretty brown shade, as you can see right here. So we're going to be putting this in our on our crease, just to make it have more depth. Is that how you say it? I'm just gonna go back in with that brush that we originally started with, and we're just going to blend that out. Make sure to go up and on the sides too. Make sure to really blend. When you blend, go in a circular motion. That's the best blending technique I can give you guys. It's just little circles. Our windshield wiper moves, that's good too. Now, I'm going to take my brush, this brush right here that I did my eyebrows with. I'm going to take my Tarte concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Honey, because that's what I am. I am a light medium honey. And we're going to cut the crease. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh, what the fuck is on my hand? Ooh, do not like that. Bam. Who is you? Don't worry about it. Just know I'm that bitch, okay? Anyway, tap that in so it don't move. Be gentle. You don't want to fuck it up. I'm gonna go into my Tarte's palette, and we're gonna go into the shade right here called Classic, and we're just gonna be putting that on top of the cut crease just to set it in and make sure that bitch don't move. And I'm going to go into that ghost shade, and we're just going to be, yeah. Can y'all even see that? I hope y'all can see that. That looks so good. All right, next eye, and I'll be right back. So I already did my eyeliner and my eyelashes because I felt like you guys didn't need to see that. Like, everybody knows how to do eyeliner and lashes. And if you don't, then comment below and I'll make a video showing you how I put on my lashes. Also, if you hear music, that's my neighbors upstairs, because they're in a rock band. Now we're just going to finish our face. I'm going into my Maybelline foundation. This is called the, I don't know. Anyways, in 312, Golden Beige, favorite drugstore foundation right now. And I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush from, I think it's Eco Tools. This is a great foundation brush, guys. And we're just going to be going in, and I'm going to be putting this on my face, like so. I usually like to put on my foundation with my beauty blender and just blend it out with my beauty blender also. But recently, this brush has also just been giving me a good like airbrush finish, so why not? Now I'm taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just beating my face. It's like, no, but yes. Now that everything is blended, we're gonna be going into my Tarte concealer one more time, and we're just going to be putting this underneath our eyes, but just a little bit, like, you know, just like that, like not a lot. And you don't want to blend this everywhere, so I'm like squeezing my my beauty blender, and I'm like trying to focus it only on the area that I put it in, so it don't really like spread across my entire face, because we only want it underneath my eyes and the other areas I put it on. You feels me? You feels me? You feels me? Now we're just going to set the places that I just put concealer on. So, using my Airspun powder, and I'm just literally doing this. Like, I just act like that. Like that. That's like, this is the best way I found to do it. It's just dab it and then wipe it off afterwards. Now it's time to contour. It's time to contour. So while this is baking on my face, we're going to contour. Going in the shade right here, and we're just going to put my hair back. We're just going to. Oh, that's a lot. Actually. Alright, now I'm going to be taking a little bit more of that powder, and we're just going to be putting it right underneath. Right underneath like that. And we're just going to brush that off. See, that looks a lot better. I'm gonna be using this shade called Gold Status. You guys seen this in my you've seen me use this in my past videos before. I have another highlighter, I just can't find it right now, so we're just gonna go into this one. But I like to put that on my brow because look at that. Ooh, ooh. Blend that in. And I like to put some right here. Oop, my neighbor stopped playing their music. Hooray. And on the tip of my nose. And blend it in with circular motions. And just a little bit on my bridge. A tad. Not too much, but just enough. Yeah. And I'm just going to put it right here. Can you see it? Hold on. Like that. Just the highlight, you know. Ooh, look, hold on. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Alrighty. That is pretty much it. I'm going to use my e.l.f. finishing spray really quick. Spray my face. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this video. This is the final look. I put some earrings in, put my little lip liner on with some gloss. You know, I don't like lipstick like that. And I sprayed my face, and that was pretty much it, guys. Like, this is such a cute look for Thanksgiving. Like, this is such a, like, hey, how are you? Ooh, wait, don't touch me, because look at me. Don't touch me, but look at me. You know, it's kind of one of those feels. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. More videos are coming, guys, I promise. And yeah, if you guys want to comment below on any videos you guys really want me to do, go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.